Astronauts grow fresh tomatoes in space for food and morale.
Using NASA's veggie facility, they cultivate dwarf tomatoes hydroponically.
This modern process sustains crews on long missions.
First, astronauts prepare the veggie hydroponic system.
Plant pillows with seeds and nutrients are loaded.
LED lights and fans create the ideal environment.
Water is added to initiate seed germination.
Seeds sprout without soil in zero gravity.
Vermination succeeds with careful humidity control.
Astronauts monitor and maintain the growing plants. Plants are pollinated manually in space.
Tomatoes develop fruits over weeks in microgravity. Growing food in space inspires sustainable futures.
Plants transpire carefully to maintain cabin air.
Regular pruning ensures healthy growth and airflow. Dwarf tomatoes thrive in this engineered habitat.
Daily imaging tracks progress for ground teams.
Fruits ripen slowly under optimized light cycles.
Samples help study space agriculture effects. Proven yields support multi-year missions. Fresh food strengthens bonds in isolation.
Space farming echoes Earth's sustainable agriculture.
Scaling up for sustained human presence beyond.
Each cycle improves techniques for deep space.
Proven yields support multi-year missions. Fresh food strengthens bonds in isolation.
Space farming echoes Earth's sustainable agriculture.
Scaling up for sustained human presence beyond.
Crew feedback refines future systems.
A complete cycle sustains life off Earth.
Every harvest brings us closer to stars.
Ongoing research expands crop varieties.
The future of food is cosmic.